Was that a dust bunny? I think it was a dust bunny. It may be time for a YouTube channel refresh. Has your YouTube channel gotten a little dusty? You haven't really paid a lot of attention to it, or maybe you just don't know what kind of attention you need to pay to it. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick ways to give your YouTube channel a makeover. We are zhuzhing it up. Zhuzh, zhuzh, zhuzh. The 3 quick ways that you can give your YouTube channel a makeover are channel design, the metadata, and your welcome trailer. So with the channel design, there are a couple of different areas that you can refresh. So you can refresh your channel art, your channel icon, your links section, your about section, the sections inside of the channel design itself. The sections are playlists that you've added to your channel, and you can use this to organize your video content to make it easier for the viewer to consume and binge, right? Because that's the experience you want them to have. You want to create this binge-worthy experience for them. So you want to set up your channel so that it encourages people to watch more of your content. Another area that you can completely make over would be the metadata. And the metadata are your titles and tags, your thumbnails, your descriptions, making sure that you're adding in subtitles and captions, all of that stuff. So just going through your videos and making sure they're as fresh and as metadata-y. Is that a word? That's not a word. The last area that you can refresh and make over your YouTube channel is the welcome trailer or welcome video. So there are a couple of best practices that you want to follow. I reference them in the YouTube channel Makeover, which is a free event that I host. And you can check that out if you come on over to the link in the description below. I'd love to see you there. I walk you through training videos on how to do all of these things, and it is so much fun. You want to welcome people to your channel, set the expectations, set the tone, give them an idea of what your channel is all about and why they should kind of hang out and stick around and subscribe. Those are the 3 different areas that you can completely make over your YouTube channel. Get rid of those dust bunnies, do a quick refresh for 2019, and I'd love to hear from you. Let me know if you found these tips valuable. Share this with a friend if you did. And remember, you are someone's reason to smile. So don't give up. And don't forget to come on over and check out the Makeover Your YouTube Channel in a Weekend event that I am hosting. I would love to see you there. Boom. What's the word I'm looking for?